So for day 3, I decided to make a raw vegan smoothie bowl. So I prepped all my fruit and got all of my ingredients out so I wouldn't be trying to find it later on. And this is actually my first time trying almond butter. So I put 2 frozen bananas inside of a blender. I went ahead and I added the strawberries, I added the blackberries, and then I added the raspberries. And I used what was left of my homemade coconut milk. Then I made sure it was still thick. I didn't want it to be too runny. And then I went ahead and I started the creative process of just putting all my fruit together. And I really enjoyed this bowl because it was really good. So after adding all my strawberries, I put some nuts on there. I added some hemp seeds because hemp seeds are very nutritious. And then I topped it off with some almond butter. It was delicious.